In this tutorial, we're going to talk about reversing around a corner. Your tester will ask you to pull in on the left where you see it safe to do so, and then ask you to reverse around a corner. This maneuver is commonly a big issue for learner drivers and takes practice and understanding. So, how do we reverse around a corner? The reverse around a corner routine is gear, mirrors, and observation. Gear, reverse gear, mirrors, all your mirrors, and observation, all around your vehicle. Look 360 degrees, taking in blind spots and the rear window. On your test, the tester will ask you to pull in on the left. So I'd like you to pull in on the left. Mirrors, signal, slow down, move in, straighten up, and stop. Once you have fully pulled in and stopped, handbrake, neutral, and relax. Obviously, you would turn off your indicator. You are now fully parked. Please note, it is normal and common for the tester to then ask you to move off again, drive past the junction ahead, and pull in again on the left. We, on the other hand, are going to reverse around the corner behind us because the tester may not ask you to move off again and drive past another junction when you have one behind you. So don't try to predict what the tester will ask you to do. Just wait for direction after you've pulled in. Okay, let's reverse around the corner. Okay, so the reverse around the corner routine is gear, mirrors, 360-degree observation, and a move when it is safe to do so. Once moving, remember to look all around in a controlled manner. At this point, the front will move out, so stop. Check behind, blind spots also, and if clear, continue. Keep looking with 360-degree general observation as you reverse. You can be 30 centimeters or less from the left, so don't be too close. Reverse back, around 3 car lengths, and stop. Good advice, don't stop where you may block a driveway. Once you've stopped, handbrake, neutral, and relax. That's it. You've completed the reverse around the corner. Now the tester will ask you to do something else. Here, we'll move off, and at the junction, turn right. So remember, moving off tutorial and the turning right tutorial. These are all separate maneuvers. Please note, when reversing, by default you do not have right of way and you must give way to other road users. Common issues: poor observation and speed. Direct observations are defined by taking appropriate observations to the front, sides, and rear of your vehicle, including blind spots. You check using 360-degree observation. That means use your mirrors, shoulder checks, back window, side windows, and the front window as you reverse. You should also travel at a speed to give you the time to safely assess if the way is clear. Something to be clear of here: when you're in reverse gear or first gear, there is no such thing as coasting. You would use your clutch in a controlled manner. Sometimes you may stop to check because the front of your vehicle is going to move outward. It's safer to check when the vehicle is stopped, so you may stop. Your driving instructor will give you advice and make sure you understand all parts of the reverse around the corner. It is common to feel uncomfortable doing the reverse around the corner, so make sure you get in-car practice and you understand how to reverse around a corner safely and in a timely manner.